Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the next stage on the custom bonnet. Now I'd ordered some Trizacks. In the last video I said I was going to Trizac the bonnet down. We were going to flatten polish it up to 3000 Trizac. So I ordered some and got up this morning thinking post will be here, they'll be here today, and there wasn't. So I went straight into the studio, just denibbed it in 1500 and then went over the top with 2000 and polished it. Now I've put the bonnet back on the car and looking at the bonnet, it doesn't need Trizacking. I don't think I can get it any flatter, as you'll see in a minute when I take you outside. So when I polished the bonnet and came up to make a coffee, the postman turned up and the Trizacks had turned up. Typical. I've done all the work on it this morning and they turn up. So I've got the 3000 and the 1500. We can do the rest of the car because the car was never denibbed or polished. It was straight out the booth, gun finish. I put the stickers on and got driving it around. So I'll give you a little pan around now of the car and what's coming up next, what the next thing I'm going to do to the car. See you in a bit. That was what we did in the booth. When we painted the car, we put the logo to the top, my logo down the side, and we've done the artwork down here. As you can see, I'm missing a indicator. The actual clip that springs it into place fell off when I took it out and I can't find it. I think it's gone inside the wing somewhere, but we'll sort that out. Now the bonnet is on, all nicely gapped, and as you can see, I was on about reflection, guys. That is like crazy reflection on that. So looking really nice, all the gapping's nice, colour matching's nice now between the wing and the bonnet because it's the same colour. I gave the car a little wash once the bonnet was on, and it is with the chroma coat. As you can see, the colour change. When you have water on here, it makes all the water droplets change colour. Look like 3D, like they change colour because it comes through it. Looks really crazy, but it's all on, guys, all done. The next thing to do on the car will be wings and front bumper. So this is going to go back in the body shop. We're going to bag the car off and then I'm going to take the cracked effect and just drop some pieces coming over the wing and down the wing. We'll mask out the front bumper and then I'm going to do some of the cracked pieces coming across, just dropping off, coming into these pieces here. The Iwata logos, these stickers, that one and the De Vilbiss one, that side, will be coming off, and then these will be done in chroma coat just to tie into the bonnet. So that's what's left to do. That's the opposite side, looking all nice. So it's good to get it back on because the car was off the road for 4 weeks, week before Christmas. So give it a little clean up, and I'll be in the body shop tomorrow. So I'll book this in for into the body shop, get it in for a Saturday, and then I'll take you through the process of repainting the wings, front bumper, and take you through the artwork stages of that. So I hope you've enjoyed this little update on the bonnet. It's all done and back on the car. It's good to get the wheels going again on the motor, and I will see you in tomorrow's video, which will be in the body shop for a bit of clear coating. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.